What is up, Poke Commute? It's your boy Steve from Pokedad and the Kid. Vice is on the other side, recording all this live. We're gonna do some booster pack unwrappings. We got some Champions Path, Rebels Clash, and Vivid Voltage. I don't think my fingers can handle it, but let's go ahead and try this out anyway. We'll get into some of this Champions Path. Whew. I don't think this has ever been done on anybody's channel, but it'll be the first for us, right? So we got a Vulpix, we got an Entei, we got a Pokeball, we got a Galarian Zagoon, we got a Sizzlepede, we got a Rotom Bike, we got a holographic Lycanroc, Fighting Energy, Rotom Phone, Absol, and a Great Ball. My fingers are frozen, but you know what? Subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and see more unpacking on Pokedad and the Kid.